Hello, in this video I'm gonna answer the question, does the REALME C53 have the glass back? So when you first take a look on this back, it looks like it's glass, but trust me, it's not. It's definitely the plastic. And also when you open the website, like for example the GSM Arena, you can find on the body build that's the plastic frame, plastic back, and also the glass, but only on the front. So definitely the screen is made out of the glass, like always in the phones, but the back is plastic. The only glass you can find right here, it's right here, the lens protection. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.